Hi guys! Another day, another episode. Today, we will make banana crumb muffins. Banana crumb muffins are another banana treat you can make, especially if you have loads of overripe bananas. These muffins are light, delicious, and have a crunchy sugar crumble on top. And they're also very quick to make. Are you ready? Let's get baking! The ingredients that we will need are 3 bananas, 1 1/4 cup plain flour, 3/4 cup brown sugar, 1/4 cup vegetable oil, 1 large egg, 1/2 teaspoon baking soda, 1/4 teaspoon baking powder, 1/4 teaspoon salt, and 1 1/2 teaspoon of lemon juice. For the crumb topping, we will need 1/3 cup brown sugar, 1/4 cup plain flour, 1 tablespoon of unsalted butter, and 1/2 teaspoon of ground cinnamon. In a bowl, add the flour, brown sugar, and cinnamon. Give it a whisk. Then, add the butter, and using your clean hands, pinch it onto the flour mixture until coarse crumbs are formed. In another bowl, add the bananas, and mash it. Then, add the sugar and beat them together. Add the egg, oil, lemon juice, and beat them together. Now, add the dry ingredients, the flour, baking soda, baking powder, and salt, and mix them together until well combined. Scrape the sides of the bowl. Now, line the cupcake tin with liners and scoop the banana muffin mixture and fill the liners about 3/4 full. This recipe makes about 9 pieces of muffins. Now, fill the top with crumbs. Then, bake this at a preheated oven of 190 degrees Celsius for about 18 to 20 minutes, or when a toothpick inserted in the center comes out clean. After baking, let this completely cool before serving. And here's our finished product! These muffins are light, delicious, and has a crunchy, sugary crumble on top. And they're also very quick to make. I hope you'll give this a try. If you like this recipe, don't forget to hit that like button. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.